Welcome, I'm is a REALME X50 Pro, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, pull down the notification panel and find a toggle, which for me is right over here, and you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can customize how it works, so disregard the very top option, which is enable now. So starting off, we have the schedule, which will allow us to create our own schedule if we want to, or use the existing one. If you create one, you'll have to name it, and then for instance set a start time, then end time. I'm gonna create a work schedule, then repeat. So select whichever days you want it to repeat, because I'm creating a work schedule Monday to Friday for me, and from there tap on done. And see, right now it's 6 in the morning, so it's still out of the time that it's supposed to turn on. Now once for instance 9 a.m. it will automatically turn on, or if the time would be correct, it will also turn on automatically. Then apart from that, if we go back, we have the silent media when in Do Not Disturb mode. Completely up to you if you want to silence or not. And then the most important part is the exceptions. So we have allow notifications. You can choose which kind of notifications will be visible. We have status bar, banners, and lock screen notification badges. So you can remove all those if you don't want any kind of interruptions. And then below that you have allow messages from, for options, anyone, contacts only, steered contacts, which are favorites, and deny all. And messages has the same, or not messages, the calls has the same options right here. And the key difference with the calls is that if you have deny all enabled, you still have an option right here for ring for repeated callers. So if anybody calls you twice within a 3-minute period, the second time around you will actually be notified, see that they're calling you, even though it should block them in a way. So you shouldn't be able to be notified about it or see that anybody's calling you, because it's supposed to deny all. So this option is really good if someone will have some kind of emergency. They usually spam call until you pick up, and this will allow you to actually know that someone is trying to reach you. And apart from that, there's no more worth mentioning settings in here, so we can leave this. And you can simply find a toggle once you set it up and tap on it, and this will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. Now if you turn it on manually, you will have to also turn it off manually, otherwise it will stay on. And if it's based on schedule, then it will be based on schedule, so it will turn on and off at specific times. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.